Modern Ice, empowering you to optimize ice and your business. From concept and design, through equipment selection, automation and control, installation, and operational support, we deliver outcome-focused solutions that benefit your business objectives.
I've been working with Modern Ice as long as Modern Ice has been in existence.
Well, we put in a new production line with 2 robots. It's a full automatic system. You can see the changes right out of the gate. It was obvious this was going to be a game changer for our operation.
At Modern Ice, we're constantly looking for ways to innovate, to create new solutions to benefit your business.
It's a great working relationship. The feedback that we get from Modern in terms of what customers want in the industry from a product perspective is very insightful and helpful for us in product development.
Their technology seems to be top-notch. So I think the biggest thing is the security of having the layers of knowledge and support there in case things do go wrong, because if things go wrong is when you need the eyes to work. So.
The engineering team did a wonderful job with us. Whatever we needed to change, whether it was on the fly or in the first design process, they helped us out and did a great job.
As Modern Ice, as our team, we're always trying to stay on the cutting edge, and with Ice's food, with the refrigerants, with the new ways of conveying and palletizing, and always trying to make it better and smarter way to do things. And while they're in their everyday life of running an ice plant, they're not thinking about that stuff. They're just thinking about production. But we're thinking about how to make it quicker, faster, better.
They have the domain knowledge and the engineering resources and the capacity for designing a full plant, so they really understand what the end market wants.
We measure our success by the success of your business, because we understand that we're not just selling you a product. We're empowering you with the tools and technology that makes a difference in your business and your life.
I like to treat my customers the way I'd want to be treated. I want it to be an easy experience, a pleasant experience, but mainly I want to make their job easier for them.
Any kind of upgrades is not something you're used to, but Modern made it as comfortable of a transition as it possibly could be. And we thank Modern immensely for that.
Customers come to us because they were looking for a total solution. So everything from plant design and layout to the engineering to the utilities required to the how to install the equipment, how to operate it, train it, and how to maintain it through the whole life cycle of that project.
Well, Modern come down and talked to me about these new modulars. December the 15th, we started tearing out our old ice makers, and March 15th, we were making ice. I should have done a long time ago.
Modern has been very good at what they did here. We're using them in our future build this winter as far as adding another robot.
We have all the capabilities that they need: engineering, design, contractors, the whole thing. We install everything that's part of your plant. We can do it all turnkey, but we do it all.
Modern ensures that our inventory is deep and wide, so you never have to wait for the parts or supplies you need to stay up and running.
Order by 4 and out the door is more than just a catchy slogan. It's a promise that was made by our organization to our clients. It means that your order is going to go out that same day, and you're going to have the products you need to succeed in your business.
My role has allowed us to hold our vendors more accountable. I actually go to bat for our company and the customer to fight what I feel like is right for everyone involved.
Another tool available to our clients is our e-commerce platform, our storefront. It processes right through our distribution warehouse. There's no holdup. If you place it, order by 4 and out that door through the storefront, that applies as well. So it'll ship that day and arrive to you in a timely manner.
Order by 4 and out the door also applies to the West Coast. They carry a lot of the same products that we do, so if there is a pinch, we can also get it out of there that same day.
Modern Ice serves customers around the globe and offers both English and Spanish-speaking team members to provide the most efficient support possible to our customers.
It is very important that our company provide bilingual service because we have customers everywhere around the world. We also have a lot of customers that speak Spanish here in the United States, so most of them they feel very comfortable talking to me. It's easier and faster, and I can provide them information in our own language
Modern Ice provides ongoing life cycle support for our clients through our many programs, including Modern Ice University. With continuing education, hands-on workshops, and meeting facilities, we'll empower you to optimize your ice business.
I've worked with Modern so much over the years, I knew it would be okay. You know, I wouldn't have gone with anybody else to do a job like this.
My relationship with Modern Ice has been nothing but the best, and I would highly recommend Modern Ice to anyone.
Anything else that we would do in the future, I don't see any reason why I wouldn't use Modern.
A remarkable experience every day. Modern Ice.